Headlines making the morning news. Body of man found in churchyard on 100 Lane. 14-year-old accused of stealing items valued $100,000. Woman shot dead at Negril hotel reception identified. Man's body found on road in Clarendon. The woman who was shot and killed at a hotel wedding reception in the resort town of Negril has been identified. The deceased is Rodina Senior, a 31-year-old data entry clerk of a Riverside District, Kingsvale, Hanover address. Reports are that about 6:15 p.m., a lone motorcyclist drove onto a side lane located between the hotel and another well-known resort. On reaching a section of the lane, the gunman reportedly opened fire at the wedding guests through a fence, hitting the woman and two men. Senior, who received shots to the upper left section of the chest, was rushed to the nearby Omega Medical Hospital in Negril, where she died. The two men were currently receiving treatment in a hospital. The incident left overseas guests at a nearby hotel who was outside dining at the time of the shooting traumatized and scampering for cover. The police, who have not yet established a motive, continue their investigation. The body of a 63-year-old man, who police said residents claimed to be an alcoholic, was found along an off-road on Roswell Road in Clarendon on Saturday morning. He has been identified as Sidney Williams, a mechanic from Roswell District in Sandy Bay in the parish. Information reaching Observer Online is that about 6 a.m., the police responded to a report of a body seen lying on the road in the community. Upon arrival, they saw the body of an adult male, later identified as Williams, lying on his back, clad in a yellow shirt, red and white patterned shorts, and black and white sneakers. The police reportedly observed bruise marks on the left knee, left elbow, and abdomen. The scene was processed and the body removed. Police believe Williams died between 4 and 6 Saturday morning. According to lawmen, residents reported that Williams was heavily intoxicated and was last seen lying on the roadway around 4 a.m. The body of a man was found in a churchyard on 100 Lane off Reddy's Road in St. Andrew with what appeared to be gunshot wounds. This is less than 24 hours after a man was killed in a shootout between rival gunmen that started on Reddy's Road and continued on 100 Lane. Reports are that loud explosions were heard about 9:30 a.m. The police were alerted. The body was later found in a churchyard and was removed to the morgue.